Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this video in which we will show you how you can use Microsoft Excel VBA and to develop alarm. Means you want a code that should be executed. Uh, Means and time-based alarm should be played. So for this. Uh, we can provide you a very simple solution. You can copy this code anywhere in your application, and that would start working uh, without any changes but all you need to know is understand the code, and then you can develop your own alarm that would be played on your given time, and on that time it will when the video so you can use any video or audio to play that alarm. That video or audio would serve the purpose of playing the alarm, right? So so this is our application. Actually, this is a dashboard which is actually on the server. It is set to watch our Outlook, and in case any email is coming, so that on the basis of the incoming email, the system executes the requests coming from the users, right? So apart from what all these things which have already been explained in our previous videos, but this time we are going to show you that while it is doing this work of monitoring a folder in the Outlook, so why not alarm can be set to remind you that this is your time, right? So what we did is that we went to a site that is a Stack Overflow. And there is a very good question which was answered by the expert. So he wanted to play a alarm which he made, right? And he wanted some help in it. So we went to the next answer which was given. This is a full-fledged answer to what we are looking for. So I copied all these commands, right? I copied all these commands and see how beautifully this code is working in our situation. I don't have to do any much work on it, so this is working fine. And it's working for me, he wrote, and it's working for me as well, as I can show you in there. You can see this is the code which I have there. So I have thanked to this source which has provided me this code. So the same variables I have used, all I uh, used uh, the location on which I have put my video to play as an alarm, right? So I made a folder in my folder here, and that is alarm, right? Alarm is the folder, and this folder is going to have all the files which I am going to play when the time is ready, right? Okay, so this will work as an alarm. If this video starts playing, it means the time is over, and now it's a time to play the video, right? Otherwise, the system is keep on working. So if we put a breakpoint here, so it will show you that it is working with a gap of every 45 seconds, watching on the Outlook folder if there is any email coming or not, right? So we have added this part of the code so that apart from this also it should serve as a alarm provider. So this is the alarm, right? So here we say, for example, it is 4:19 p.m. now. So let's do 4:21. We do it 4:21 p.m. So this is going to be set as an alarm, right? And we say play it. So in 20, when the time will become 4:21, the system will automatically come to here and go to this storage location. This is the location, the folder, and whatever the files are there which are playable within VLC exe. So this will be played, and then it will each time it will check if the alarm time has passed, so nothing will be done. Otherwise, it will keep on playing, and it will keep on playing only when uh, the time is 60 seconds before, right? So this is now playing. So since it is, yeah, you can see that. So the video is playing and it is waking you up that your time which you have set in the clock, it has come. So you can get up and so it's a nice music, mashallah. It's a nice, not music, it's actually, it's a nasheed. It's a praise. Spiritual thoughts. Allah, Allah. So this is alarm.
اے میرے مالک اے میرے مولا اے میرے والی شاہ تو عالم تو ہے سب سے تیری سرکار ہے عالی شان تیری ہر آن نئی ہے گاہ جمالی گاہ جلالی وہ بھی عجب خوش بخت ہے جس نے قلب میں تیری یاد بسالی شغل میرا بس اب تو الہی شام و سحر ہو اللہ 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 لیتے بیٹھے چلتے پھرتے آٹھوں پہر ہو اللہ 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 قصد نے دنیا کے ہی راہ میں دین کی دولت کچھ نہ کمائی وقت یوں ہی بیکار گزارا عمر یوں ہی غفلت میں گنوائی خلق میں ہی سب سے برا ہوں کوئی نہیں ہے مجھ میں بھلائی مجھ سا کوئی بدکار نہ ہوگا کون سی میں نے ہی نہ برائی شغل میرا بس اب تو الہی شام و سحر ہو اللہ 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 لیٹے بیٹھے چلتے پھرتے آٹھوں پہر ہو اللہ اللہ اللہ
which we have recently developed. And this is the simple code which we picked from the Stack Overflow, and we placed it in here with a bit of that is going to control the when to play this alarm, play the video, and when just to skip, right? So this is the point when the alarm has only from 60 seconds away from the stipulated time, then it is start going to bang. It is going to play for you. So it's going to wake you up that the time is coming, right? Otherwise, it is working and you are still doing the job. You can still work on other applications and it will keep on working, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.